If you're seeing a Mailchimp server error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to troubleshoot it step by step so you can get back into your account and keep working without guessing. We'll check Mailchimp's server status, test your connection, review your API keys, and clear your browser cache and cookies if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, go to status.mailchimp.com in your browser. This is Mailchimp's official status page, and it's the quickest way to see whether the issue is on Mailchimp's side or on your side. Once the page loads, check the current status carefully. Look for any incidents, outages, or service disruptions that could explain the error you're seeing. If Mailchimp has a server issue, the best fix may simply be waiting until their service is restored. If the status page looks normal, the next thing to do is test your connection. Sometimes a network problem, VPN, or proxy can block requests to Mailchimp servers. Try switching to another network if you can, such as mobile data or a different Wi-Fi connection. Also turn off any active VPNs or proxies because they can interfere with authentication, API calls, and dashboard access. After changing your connection, refresh Mailchimp and try again to see if the error is gone. If you still have the problem, the next step is to check your API keys. Start by opening your account settings. In the Mailchimp dashboard, click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Account and Billing. This is where Mailchimp keeps your account level settings and tools. Inside Account and Billing, click the Extras tab. Then select API keys to open the page that lists your Mailchimp API keys. This page is important because a broken, outdated, or revoked API key can sometimes cause connection errors or stop integrations from working properly. Once you're on the API keys page, review your existing API keys carefully. Look for anything that seems outdated, unused, or connected to an app you no longer need. If you're troubleshooting an integration, make sure the correct key is being used and that it hasn't been disabled. If necessary, regenerate or replace the key only if you understand which connected apps depend on it. That way, you avoid breaking anything else while fixing the issue. If the server status looks fine, your network is working, and the API keys are correct, then the last common fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old browser data can cause login problems, loading issues, and strange server errors. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers. From there, select Cookies and Cache. Make sure you uncheck the other options if you only want to remove the stored website data causing the issue. Then click Delete Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close and reopen your browser, sign back into Mailchimp, and test it again. In many cases, one of these steps solves the Mailchimp server error quickly. Start with the status page, then check your connection, review your API keys, and finally clear your cache and cookies. That order saves time and helps you narrow down the real cause instead of changing things randomly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes, step-by-step guides, and software troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.